What's up, guys? Jacob here with yet another video in this backdrop. For some reason, when I do these style of videos, I get 30 subs a day. So we're going to keep it going. Party continues. So what I want to talk about today is how to truly get ahead financially with whatever situation that you're in. Whether you are living paycheck to paycheck, whether you're perhaps in debt and you're trying to pay it off, or you're already somewhat established with online income or whatever investments you may have currently, and you want to further scale up, yet you don't know what's really holding you in general. So, I'm going to give you a general answer for those of you that are starting out with trying to get ahead of the rat race, trying to get past paycheck to paycheck, and how to get rid of bad debt related to shopping, to student loans. I would consider to be bad debt, to anything that's not going to make you money, that's a liability other than a house. What will help you get ahead? I would say, guys, financial decisions, smart financial decisions. Now, I mean, we're all human. We all make mistakes. I'll be upfront. I've made some big mistakes. I've bought cars with all cash that I really didn't need to buy new. I've financed cars. I've lost a lot on Bitcoin. And, when you make mistakes like these, when you're spending money on liabilities to a significant amount, if you're blowing money on vacations that put you in debt, it's not the end of the world, but it's certainly going to delay, at the very least, it's going to delay you getting ahead with where you want to be financially. So, what I would say is, and yes, this is general advice for those of you starting out, but you need to hear it. You need to have what I say is delayed gratification. So, everyone wants to take their family vacation, and certainly maybe you should, but if you can, either delay that vacation or scale back what you're spending on these discretionary purchases, guys. I mean, it's everyone wants to have their European car. Everyone wants to flex and show off to their neighbors or whoever people don't really matter. But if you really want to get ahead, guys, whatever money you can pocket away, whatever money you can save from your paychecks, put it aside and allocate it towards something that is worthwhile for you to use as a passive income vehicle. Now, in general, because it's a Kindle publishing channel, I'm going to advocate Kindle publishing as a primary way to put your money towards something that can make you passive income online. Okay, now this is a Kindle publishing channel, even though I will be talking about other income methods. Let's not lie. This channel got started with Kindle publishing, so that's what we're going to say it is for now. With that, if you have to start out with books before buying a course, you can definitely experiment with that. There is the publishing evolution, which you can grab. That's always around as a resource, along with general YouTube videos as well. I think there is enough YouTube information freely available to where you can get started and do fairly well. I know that's what I know I could do it. Just saying. But yeah, guys, stop pulling your money on stupid shit you don't need. Now, of course, I'm going to be biased because I do offer coaching and courses. I'm still going to say it. You should look into courses that can help you in general, whether it's Kindle publishing or something else that is legitimate, whether it's maybe attending a workshop or a legitimate seminar that's more than just upsells and will actually give you information that you need to get started with, like real estate, with perhaps offline ventures that you've got going on, whether it's maybe Amazon FBA or drop shipping. You need to get that kind of education in. There's nothing wrong with investing in yourself if it leads to taking action that'll pay off for your financial future. Now, with that, I'm just going to say also just having the right role models. You don't want to be, look, I don't want to be too harsh, but you don't want to follow those in terms of your financial decisions with people that just squander money. It's just not a good look. Okay, now, yes, we're all guilty of maybe spending too much at the club one night or, having a crazy vacation. That's human, that happens. But, if you were just getting your first taste of success, don't blow it on an expensive vehicle. That money you could be spending on ads, on furthering your infrastructure, or other financial investments you can make to further scale up your business. You're just delaying your financial success by siphoning away your cash flow to these liabilities that are not going to make you money. Okay, simply put, you know, the I could finance a Lambo right now. I could finance it, but what's that Lambo going to do for me? Okay, it's not. It's just going to drain me of at least $3,000 a month, plus repairs, plus maintenance, plus the car insurance. And I could be spending that money on ads, and I am spending that kind of money on ads, plus 5x more than that. So just make the right decisions, guys. I don't want to ramble too much on that, but it's something you got to hone in on. Instead of, going to Miami and going nuts at Tootsie's, you could be, spending that money on more books. You could be working maybe one-on-one with a coach, any coach, on Kindle Publishing or whatever venture you're getting into. And so, yeah, that's what I'm going to say about that for now. Now, do you guys have any questions about getting ahead to maybe the six-figure level annually with Kindle Publishing? I'm going to have to just say, just keep making the right decisions. You have to sacrifice for the short term so that you can win in the long term. So if that means being the hobbit in your house for a year, so be it. Just get it done with. There's nothing wrong with working hard for your passive income machine for 1 year, hardcore, and reap the benefits for years to come. Knock on wood, with relying on one income stream. But there's certainly nothing wrong with working hard for 2 years, guys, and building at least 5 streams of income online and offline. There's nothing wrong with working hard, okay? I mean, what else are you going to do with your time? So other than that, guys, I do have Elite Publishing Dynamics. It's my new program that I run alongside with my good friend Cassie. It's only for those who are really serious and seriously committed for furthering their lives with Kindle Publishing. It's our most premium coaching package, and it's our long-term collaboration that we can offer to you guys. So I'm going to leave a link below. Feel free to check out the program, and if you're seriously interested, I'm going to actually also set up, because yesterday's video really popped off. Instead of taking in messages, I got to take calls so we can talk to each other one-on-one. Okay, so I'll leave a Calendly link below in case you want to book a call and talk about the program. So otherwise, guys, have a good Friday, Saturday, Sunday, wherever you may be, and I'll see you later. Take care.